Welcome to BetWise Academy's Craps Mastery Series, where we turn beginners into craps champions. We're here to unravel the mystery of the craps table, revealing the rules, the strategies, and the secrets to winning big. From the basics to advanced techniques, we've got you covered. Expect to arm yourself with knowledge and confidence to take on any craps game. So if you've ever dreamt of ruling the casino floor, this is your chance. Are you ready to become the next craps champion? Let's get started. Before we roll the dice, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insider tips and strategies. Trust us, you don't want to miss out on the wealth of knowledge we're sharing here at BetWise Academy. From mastering the basics to advanced betting tactics, we've got it all covered. And it's not just about craps. We're your one-stop shop for all your gambling education needs. So buckle up and get ready for a thrilling journey. With BetWise Academy, you're always one step ahead of the game. Craps might seem complex, but once you get the hang of it, it's all about strategy and a little bit of luck. In essence, craps is a dice game where players make bets on the outcome of a roll or a series of rolls of a pair of dice. Players can bet against each other or against the bank. The player rolling the dice is known as the shooter. The shooter must place a bet before rolling, either on the pass line or the don't pass line. A roll of 7 or 11 is a winner on the pass line, while 2, 3 or 12 is a loss. But don't worry, there are plenty of other bets to consider and ways to win, and that's how you play craps. But how do you win? Let's dive into some strategies. Winning at craps is all about smart betting. Let's explore some strategies that can increase your chances of success. The most fundamental bet in craps is the pass line bet. This is a bet that the shooter will roll a 7 or an 11 on the come-out roll, or, alternatively, that they will make the point before rolling a 7. The don't pass bet, on the other hand, is essentially the opposite. You're betting against the shooter. If they roll a 2, 3 or 12 on the come-out roll, you win. If they roll a 7 or 11, you lose. Any other number establishes the point, and you win if a 7 is rolled before the point is repeated. Now, let's talk about the odds bet, or known as back bet. This is a side wager you can make in addition to your original bet on the come line once a point number has been established. The payout for an odds bet varies depending on the point number, but this bet has zero house edge, making it one of the most profitable bets in the casino. These 3 bets form the foundation of any sound craps strategy. By understanding how they work and when to use them, you put yourself in a prime position to maximize your winnings. Remember, the key to winning at craps is understanding the odds and making smart bets. Ready to take your game to the next level? Let's delve into some advanced betting strategies. Place bets are a fantastic way to maximize your profits. You're betting that a specific number will be rolled before a 7, offering a great chance to win. Now, what about come bets? They're similar to pass line bets, but can be made any time after the point is established, adding an extra layer of strategy to your game. And for those who enjoy the high-stakes thrill, there's no better strategy than pressing your bets. This is when you increase your bet after a win, using the casino's money to push your advantage. Remember, the key to these strategies is patience and discipline. Craps is a game of streaks, and knowing when to press your bets and when to pull back is the difference between a big win and a loss. With these advanced strategies, you're well on your way to becoming a craps champion. Now that you've learned the strategies, let's see them in action in a real game of craps. Picture yourself at the table, and the dice are in your hands. Your pass line bet down. You toss the dice and 11. A cheer goes up, and you've just won your first bet. You place your pass line bet again. The dice are back in your hands. You let them fly, and it's a 7. Another win. You place your pass line bet again and roll the dice. This time it's a 6. The point is established. You bet some additional win bets on numbers, trying to optimize your betting and cover majority of the numbers, and get ready to roll again. This time it's a 7, unlucky, in and out. This is the thrill of craps, the constant action, the strategic bets, the cheers and tears when you roll a winner or lose. It's a game of chance, yes, but with the strategies you've learned, you can sway the odds in your favor. It's about making smart bets, managing your bankroll and knowing when to walk away. And that's how it's done. Remember, practice makes perfect. Before we wrap up, here are some quick-fire tips and common mistakes to avoid. First off, don't fall into the trap of making proposition bets. Yes, they can bring substantial winnings, but the house edge is incredibly high. Stick to your strategy, whether it's pass line, don't pass, or place bets. Secondly, manage your bankroll wisely. It's easy to get carried away with the thrill of the game, but remember, you're here for the long run. Set a limit and stick to it. And finally, don't forget that craps is a game of chance. Even the best strategies can't guarantee a win every time. So, play for fun, enjoy the excitement, and remember that every roll of the dice is a new opportunity. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be well on your way to mastering the game of craps. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and strategies to become a craps champion. We've journeyed together from understanding the basics of craps to mastering winning strategies. You've learned how to play smart with pass line, don't pass, and odds bets, and how to up the ante with advanced strategies like place bets and come bets. We've also seen a real game of craps in action and discussed key tips and common pitfalls to avoid. Remember, success at the craps table is about smart betting and managing your bankroll wisely. Every roll is an opportunity, and with the strategies you've learned today, you're ready to turn those opportunities into wins. So, it's time to step up to the table and put your skills to the test. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more craps excitement. Until next time, happy gaming.